and here is the stem, and this part of the leaf will come till here. Okay, don't overlap on your stem. Side by side we are outlining a stem also. From here, first this is the basic shape of the leaf, and in between you can make a wave like this. Okay, now we will do the shading part of the stem. So for the shading parts you can make short strokes like this. This way, short strokes. Okay, again you can outline this way. Correct. Now we will do the shading part of the leaf. So for this also you need to give strokes like this. Put your pen over here and shoot up the strokes like this. Where, see, the turn is here, so the strokes that you are putting, it will also form an arc shape like this. Okay, now here you have this way, it's coming down like this, so your arc will also come down like this. You can place little bit strokes in between also. Okay, now if you see the petal, the leaf is like this. Okay, so this is the lower part of the leaf and this is the upper part of the leaf, inner part. Okay, so here the strokes will go up like this. And little bit shade like this. Okay, so we have done this. It will appear as if it is a folded leaf. Okay, this one is also a folded leaf, so here also we will be putting strokes like this, upward and here downward. So this way we have created a beautiful bookmark with our pen illustration. I hope you liked it.